Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. This video will give you a brief demonstration of working of Logic Business Professional Plus software in an FMCG distribution business. First of all, let us look at the process of creating a new account of customer and supplier. Enter the name and define account type as customer or supplier. Click on Other Details to enter the contact details and address. Also define GST details and sale nature. Bank details can also be added in Other Details. Similarly, create an account of supplier with all the details. The Setup Account Groups option allows you to arrange customers and suppliers into different categories. The most commonly used criteria are area and weekdays. Customers can be arranged according to their areas. The areas can further be allocated under different days of the week. So, each group contains 5 levels. Expand the group to see the allocated accounts. You can use other criteria for grouping as well. You can also create salesmen, agents, or brokers. Simply type a name and short name. Setup Company option allows you to create companies of items. Enter the desired company name and a short name. You can also set up various go-downs. Let us now look at the grouping of items. Set up item groups option enables you to group the items into different categories. Expand the group to see the allocated items. You can create up to 30 group categories like these. Set up item option allows you to create new items. Enter the name of item and select the company. Choose the groups to which the item belongs. Choose pack size from the list. Enter the number of units contained in that pack. These are called conversion factors. Conversion factors are helpful in cases where loose quantity is to be sold. Up to 3 conversion factors of single pack size of an item can be maintained. You can select different default conversion factors for purchase and sale. Let us make another pack size and enter conversion factors. You can create as many pack sizes as needed. We are creating 3 pack sizes, each with 2 conversion factors for this item for an example. Let us create another item with 2 pack sizes. In this example also we are selecting different default conversion factors for purchase and sale. In the last example, we are taking an item which is measured in liters to help you gain a better understanding of the process of setting up an item. This means that there are 30 bottles of 500 milliliters in a case. This means that there are 12 bottles of 1 liter each in a case. Similarly, this means that there are 8 bottles of 2 liters each in a case. If you do not wish to choose conversion factors for sale and purchase every time, you can set default conversion factors. You will not need to select them every time you create an item. Let us now look at the process of entering purchase voucher. As soon as you enter the name of the supplier, a ledger will appear in the form of widgets. Two different dates can be maintained, namely, voucher date and bill date. All the packs of the item will appear in the form of a list. Select the lot number from the list or create a new one. Press F5 on the packs column to change the conversion factor. Fill in other details of the bill such as quantity, free quantity, basic rate, sale rate, and discounts. You can also choose conversion factor to enter scheme per unit. Here we have entered 3 rupees scheme per case. The scheme has been calculated as 15 rupees, that is 3 rupees multiplied by 5 cases. Purchase rate has been automatically calculated after deducting trade discount and scheme per unit. You can define the purchase rate formula as per your needs. Click on View Totals to see the gross amount, discount in rupees, amount of tax and net amount. Press F2 to see the account entry of the bill. A prompt of Go Down selection appears at the end. Select the appropriate Go Down in which you want to save the stock of the entered items. The Stock Transfer Go Down Wise option enables you to transfer the stock from one Go Down to another. Select Go Down from and Go Down to. You can either click on Transfer All Stock or enter the items manually in Item Details. The process of entering a purchase return is quite similar to that of purchase voucher. Simply enter the supplier name and other details. Enter the item and choose lot number. The rates will be automatically picked. Now let us see how can we set up automatic schemes for sale bill. Click on New and enter a name for the scheme. Click on New Items to select the items on which the scheme is to be applied. Here, we have selected sunflower oil of 2 liters. Then, enter other details such as time period for which the scheme will be active, minimum quantity or value, and the conversion factors to be used. Finally, enter the discount details to be given such as scheme, cash discount, trade discount or free units. Here, we are entering sunflower oil of 500 milliliters as a free item. This means that when one quantity of 2 liters will be sold, 1 unit of 500 milliliters will be given free. Let us see its effect on sale bill. Enter the item name and lot number. Press F5 on Packs column to change the conversion factor. After entering the quantity, save the bill. A prompt of schemes will appear. Select the scheme that you want to implement. You can see that sunflower oil of 500 milliliters has been added as a free item. Let us make another sale bill to see some other features as well. You can enter group name, and accounts belonging to only that group will appear in the search list. You can also select an agent or broker in sale bill. There is an option of a price list as well. Select the rate at which you want to sell the items. If you do not want to apply automatic schemes, you can enter the discount details manually. Just like purchase voucher, you can choose conversion factors to apply scheme per unit. The view totals will display the amount, discount, and free units. By clicking on Print, the bill will get printed and saved. You can get the printing customized as per your needs. You can easily enter sales return in Logic ERP. Enter the required details. As soon as you enter the lot number, sale history of that item appears along with all details such as quantity, rate, and discount. Select the sale bill against which the return is to be made and enter the return quantity. How simple is that? Now let us suppose that you have to make a payment to your supplier through check. It will be entered in bank payments. Select the bank account from the list. You can also predefine the narrations in all account vouchers. Enter the required details. While entering payments or receipts, pending bills are displayed. Click on the bills against which the payment is to be adjusted. Similarly, if a customer has made a payment to you through check, it will be entered in bank receipts. Select the bank and fill other required details. After entering all the records, let us see how can we create reports in Logic ERP. First of all, we will create a ledger, which is one of the most important reports in a business. Filters have been given on the right-hand side of each report. You can select the account from the search list. The groups that we created in Setup Account Groups can also be used here as filters. Select the account group to see the ledger of accounts belonging to that group only. Click on Create. Entry-wise ledger has been created. The dues aging analysis is used to check the current dues and outstanding amount. You can also see which bills are overdue and by how many days. The Cash Bank book displays the receipts and payments made through cash and bank. Let us have a look at some sale reports as well. The Sale Register Summary Report displays the sale bills in a condensed form. Similarly, the Sale and Sale Return Register Detail displays the sale bills in an elaborated manner with item name, lot number, quantity, rates and discounts. Items in red depict sale return items. Click on the Excel button to copy the report in Microsoft Excel. This button can be found in every report. There are various reports in Sale Register crosstab, such as Agent Reports, Profitability Reports, Area-wise Reports and many more. The Salesman and Item-wise Sale Report displays the items sold by each agent. The Market-wise Sale Report exhibits the sales of each market or area. You can also check profit or loss earned by you. The Company-wise Profitability Report shows profit or loss in rupees as well as in percentage. Similarly, you can also check the profit or loss earned in a day. If there is a loss, it will be displayed in red with a negative sign. The Scheme Report is used to see all the schemes and discounts that have been applied in sale bills. The Scheme Summary Report displays the schemes in a condensed manner. Enter the date in the active scheme report to see the details of the schemes that are active on that date. The Purchase Register Summary Report displays the purchase bills in a condensed manner. Double-click on the bill number to zoom down to that voucher. This option is available in other reports as well. Click on Purchase Register Detailed to see the purchase vouchers in an elaborated way with item name, lot number, discount details, etc. Items in red depict purchase return items. The Stock Query tab has many stock reports. Closing Stock Item-Wise Report is used to check the stock in hand according to each item name. The closing stock has been displayed in terms of both conversion factors. The Product-Wise Stock and Sale Report displays the opening stock, purchase, sale, returns and closing stock of each item. You can also see these details in terms of different conversion factors. Double-click on the item to zoom down to its stock ledger. Stock ledger is also available to be displayed separately. You can also file GST returns from Logic ERP. Select the GSTR that you want to generate. Enter the date and click on Generate. Returns can either be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Simply select the GSTR that you want to create and click on Generate. Reconciliation of GSTR2 can be done in Logic ERP. Choose the format of the file and browse it from your system. GSTR2A data can also be fetched online. Similarly, GSTR3B can also be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Apart from these, other GSTR forms are also available. Thank you for watching this video. For more software-related updates, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon.